Imagine a creature that looks like a giant swimming head. That's the ocean sunfish. It's the world's heaviest bony fish, but seems like an evolutionary oops. A massive flattened disc designed to just drift along. It lacks a swim bladder, relying on a thick gelatinous layer under its skin for buoyancy. Its lazy, gliding lifestyle is a necessity because its diet consists almost entirely of jellyfish, practically ocean junk food. The sunfish is also a walking hotel for parasites. It's so infested that scientists have found parasites living on its other parasites, a bizarre multi-level affliction. To cope, it basks near the surface, hoping birds or cleaner fish will come pick a few off. By all accounts, this poorly designed, slow-moving creature should be extinct, but a single female can produce 300 million eggs. The sunfish is a successful global reminder that nature doesn't reward what we think of as smart. It rewards what endures. And sometimes the strangest design is the one that lasts.